The South Asian water buffalo, Bubalus bubali. Its massive curved horns and dark hide highlight its extraordinary leather qualities. This is a freshwater buffalo hide, typically 6 to 8 millimeters thick, and is only 300 calomillimetric. This greater thickness makes buffalo leather dramatically more durable and impact resistant. The extraordinary natural fiber architecture of buffalo hide under professional scientific magnification, the Scanagilla structure of cattle hide, the structural foundation of its superior strength and resistance.
On the Great Plains, vast bison herds embody nature's power. Their thick hides are the foundation of durable leather. Water buffalo contribute their resilient hides to the process. Science reveals
This batch looks good. Check the thickness on that one. Right, moving it to the sorted pile. Grade it for full grain processing.
The beam house. Here, raw buffalo hides begin their transformation. Soaked, limed, and fleshed, the hide prepared it and pickled, they emerge as tannage that creates premium leather. After 6 to 8 weeks of pit tannage, this vegetable tan buffalo leather develops a dense, firm, and rich pigmented tertial. It's about grain and heritage leather jackets. This screen shows the fat liquoring data for premium buffalo jacket leather, with a target lubrication level of 14 to 16%. Raw buffalo pelts begin their extraordinary transformation in chrome tanning drums. Through vegetable tannage, Finally, its density rich, dyed in deep, vibrant colors. This is the pull-up effect. Pressure lightens the wax-finished leather, showing how it develops a unique patina over years of wear. This is what makes a well-worn buffalo leather jacket more beautiful after a decade.
We start with tensile strength, pulling the leather to its breaking point. Next is tear strength, measuring resistance to rips under force. Flex endurance tests repeated bending. Finally, rub fastness and cold crack resistance.
This chart compares the mechanical strength of premium buffalo leather to cattle leather. Buffalo leather exhibits 40 to 60% higher tensile strength, making it ideal for premium protective jackets. Premium buffalo leather achieves 3 to 5 times greater abrasion resistance than standard bovine leather in Martindale testing. This explains why it's specified for the highest protection motorcycle jackets. The expert hand folds the leather, creating fine, tight creases. This is the characteristic break pattern of premium buffalo leather, a unique suppleness and density beyond machine replication. Premium spray and hydraulic press create an extraordinary surface. Wax application, Puritan resistance, conspire tensile and turf. Expert inspection validates the break.
Keep the tension even on these thick panels. Got it. The grain is holding the stitch well. Good. Watch the curve on the next seam. Adjusting now.
Seams are perfect, no flaws. Framing looks ideal, capturing now. Zipper and lining approved.